Optimize your site with these tips on SEO by Matt Davis, dvgpro.com. What's the point of having a website if you don't have any visitors? You will need to have your site find its way to the top of the search engine results. You will want to know how the search engines rank different sites. The following advice will help you with SEO tactics and techniques. How is your site coded? Coding is an important element in search engine optimization if you are using SEO. For instance, if most of your site relies on JavaScript and is poorly coded, this will affect your SEO rankings. Make sure your site is properly coded so that it can be indexed by search engine spiders. JavaScript can be used in your website, but a search engine software won't work with it too well. Java can add a lot of customization to your site, but be sure to know that the search engine will see your site differently because all the crawlers take in different information. Tip: be as organized as possible when coding your site while trying to use SEO. A site that is coded in messy, confusing JavaScript is not going to be indexed by the search engines. Navigation. Sitemaps are excellent navigational tools as well as helpful for both search engines and visitors to find their way around your site. Keep your website focused on a dozen or so main keywords or phrases that really capture the essence of what your website actually focuses on. Use analytical tools to figure out which phrases work best. Limit what the search engines can see. The way to do this is make a text file, .txt file, and then place it in your site's root or main directory. This will prevent any search engines from being able to gain access to certain files on your site. You should use anchor text properly when you are setting up the interlinks on your site. There are certain words you should never use because they will not help the search engines navigate your site. You can get the assistance you need with anchor text by talking to an SEO expert. If you'd like to learn more ways to optimize your anchor text, check out outreachmama.com and their anchor text optimization guide with the link in the description. RSS feeds. Using a product feed can really help to reach new customers. Feeds like this detail your services and products with images, descriptions, and pictures. Submit these to comparison sites that compare prices and to the major search engines. SEO rankings. There are a lot of options for increasing your search engine ranking. Having the best possible search engine optimizations is important for bringing in more traffic. Ask a nonprofit to link to your content. Search engines look favorably on sites and rank them higher because they are considered reputable sources of information. Provide high-quality information that will encourage quality websites to want to feature your site. Create materials that these organizations will find useful and worthy. Join as many prominent organizations as you can when you're working to optimize your search engine rankings. This helps you with local searches as they are generally linked to you automatically. When you set up your page using these techniques on SEO, don't think that advertising more will help you with your ranking on a search engine. Placing ads on other sites could drive visitors to yours, but it won't boost your rankings. Keywords. Find a way to include keywords in your domain name. This will make your domain name memorable and easy to search for. Use the longer forms of keywords, keyword stemming, to generate more hits on a search engine. Keyword stemming is important for search engines. If you use a word such as a bank, your site may not be included in search results relating to accountants. If you are using a search engine that uses keyword stemming, then your site will be included in the searches that include the shorter form of the word as well. In order to fully optimize your site, you must focus on keyword density. Any keyword content on an optimized web page should not exceed 20% of the total page. Now you know some of the best techniques to increase your web presence. With the tips you've heard here, you should now be prepared to make the changes that need to be made. You'll get more results, more visibility, and make your website pay off. If you're looking for a solid website hosting service to run your website, we highly recommend Bluehost. Bluehost gives you a platform that makes setting up WordPress easy. 24/7 support and an unmetered bandwidth for as little as $3.95 a month. Visit the Bluehost link in the description for more info. Want more content like this? Make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and comment down below. Not only does it help us tailor content for you, but it also tells the YouTube algorithm about our content. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to check out some of our other videos. And stop by dvgpro.com to see more articles on SEO.